In the early 80s, the consulting firm Mckinsey developed a model to help organizations assess intended changes. The model presents 7 internal aspects of an organization that need to be aligned for the change initiative to be successful. These aspects are mutually reinforcing and all need to be considered. The 7 aspects are strategy, structure, systems, shared values, style, staff, and skills. Strategy refers to plans devised to maintain and build competitive advantage. Structure defines the hierarchy and reporting channels. Systems outlines daily activities and procedures required to deliver work. Shared values details the core values of the organization, as evidenced in the corporate culture and work ethic. Style, staff, and skills refer to the leadership style adopted, employees and their general capability, and the actual skills and competencies of the workforce. This model can be used regardless of the type of change to understand how a change in one area can impact others and the realignment required to keep all elements of the organization productive. The model outlines the current and future state of the organization and uses gap analysis to determine the impact of change initiatives. This will produce a change gap, which must be closed and identifies issues or barriers to change. Finally, the model outlines some change activities, which must address both the change gap and the barriers to change. This formal approach ensures impacts related to organizational interconnectivities are addressed and assumptions can be tested. Change managers need to be clear about what intervention is required and try to make changes simple, as this will result in more realistic change. When designing new processes, change leaders must be careful about when they decide something is intuitive. Intuitive design depends on users having enough knowledge to understand and operate the device or process. Change managers must identify what knowledge exists and if it's sufficient to manage the new process. If not, training must be provided.